Now, Jamaica's departure for the Goodwill Swimming Championships in Trinidad and Tobago has been delayed due to travel logistics issues. The full squad was unable to depart the island on Wednesday. Daniel McLeod tells us more.
Jamaica's 45-member delegation for the Goodwill Swimming Championships will now be split into two after they encountered problems at the Norman Manley International Airport on Wednesday. Only 19 members departed the island for the August 14 to 16 championships in Trinidad and Tobago. With 4 athletes already in Trinidad, 22 members have been placed at the Pegasus Hotel by Caribbean Airlines ahead of their rescheduled 1 a.m. flight. Manager of Jamaica's Goodwill team, Carla Hollingsworth, was left disappointed.
I'm a perfectionist, so I would love for the entire team and all the parents to be here at the same time. But we do understand that things do happen, and we're grateful that they are able to find a solution for us very quickly.
Despite the early setback, head coach of the team, Lemon Lowe, is focused on the task at hand.
We want to get used to the hotel. We want to know what the food is like. We want to know what the pool is like, the blocks is like. Is it a cold pool or warm pool? So it's very important to reach before time so we can get settled and acclimatized to the atmosphere and what we're going into. This team is resilient, dynamic in a sense. So whatever we need them to do on the day, even if everything is not all, I'm sure we'll be able to work it out.
Meanwhile, the athletes are eager to show their talent in Trinidad and Tobago.
The events I'll be doing is 50 fly, 100 back, 100 free, 50 free, and yeah. I'm looking to perform well in all of those events. I've been training hard for all of those events, and I'm just looking forward to getting medals and personal best.
Me personally, I'll be swimming 11 events, 8 individual and 3 relays. Yes, I'm ready. I've been training with the team and preparation has been going great. So I just know all I have to do is just go out there and do my best.
This is the second straight year a full complement of swimmers will be available for the Goodwill Swimming Championships, and they will be seeking to improve on their 48 gold, 26 silver and 27 bronze tallied in their previous outing. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.